You alright guys, how are we all doing? It's Andy here from Peninsula Painting Projects, and in today's video we're going to unbox the Warhammer Age of Sigmar Warcry starter box set. Now basically a lot of people have been saying that this is Age of Sigmar's version of Kill Team, but really it's just Warcry. It's just their version of them. I believe it's completely different. I've not had a chance to play. I've only just received my order through the post from Games Workshop. Obviously primalwargames.co.uk, we are stocking them at the moment. We will have about 10 in stock. So guys, you can come and check that out on the website if you fancy ordering it. And if you're quick enough, you might be able to snag it at the pre-order price, which is 20% off, and it'll go down to 10%. So let's have a look in this box. Let's remove the cling film right now, and then we've got a bit of a shaky table. So we've got the trusty old Stanley knife there. And that's better, isn't it? Look at that colourful, vibrant, and deftly box art. I think it looks really nice, and I was really shocked when I got these out of the boxes and seeing how big it was. I thought the Kill Team box set was massive. I think this is just as big, if not bigger. So let's take off the lid off Pandora's box, and we are greeted with loads and loads of sprues of plastic, grey plastic. So what's this first one? There's a sprue of the golems here. Now just look how detailed they are, guys. That looks absolutely amazing. I can't wait to get these painted up. It's Friday at the moment. This will be released tomorrow and Saturday. So I'm gonna unbox this, get them all assembled, and at least, you know, primed, because I'm gonna have a couple of demo games tomorrow, hopefully. So that's all that there, and they look very nice. So that was the Iron Golems. This is the Untamed Beast, which I'm actually going to be using these in my D&D, to be honest, because these are ideal for barbarians. Just look how focused, look how detailed they are. They are absolutely beautiful. And I do know of other people who have ordered this, or who are buying it, and they're going to do the same thing. And they're going to use it for, obviously, for Warcry, and they're going to use it for other systems as well. What else have we got? We got some of the Chaos Beasts here, or the Chaotic Beasts. Got some flying things there. I've not seen these beasts before, but they're very nice, very detailed. I'm very curious to know whether you'll be able to eventually use these in Age of Sigmar. You know, this is the full game. That would be quite cool if you can. There's another sprue here. I love the wings. It's going to take very nicely to contrast paint. Maybe a bit of dry brushing, maybe a bit of airbrushing as well. I've undecided how I'm going to paint these yet, but I think I'm going to do a bit of a 50-50. So I'm going to use a bit of contrast paints. I'm going to use obviously metallic paints. I'm going to use the airbrush as well to prime it, and Zinfandel highlight it. And what else am I going to do? I'm going to use washes and stuff like that. So very detailed, very, very detailed. Bit of abs going on there. Look how detailed that mesh work is. Chainmail. I don't want this to be too long, guys, because, you know, there's only so much you can say, but here's some of the terrain. And even the terrain's bloody detailed, look at that. You're getting a lot of terrain. Now, I believe the terrain is being sold separately. Look at that wood. Look at the detail on that wood, just the wood alone. Very nice. Hope this camera's picking up all this detail. So yeah, the terrain itself is I think it's about £55 if you want to buy it separately. And then obviously the other war bands, in fact I don't know whether I can tell you the price because I don't know if they've been released, but the war bands are in excess of £20, let's say. So obviously you are saving a lot of money. The rule book we know is £25. So already the rule book and the terrain is going to be about £75–80. And then you're getting all the little cards, you get the little board. Look how detailed that face is there. That's very nice. Can't wait to paint that up. So you are saving a fair bit of money. Then you've got obviously the Chaos Beasts, which I don't know how much they're worth. Obviously, I don't really play Age of Sigmar at the moment, so I'm not even sure whether these are released. I haven't seen them though, to be honest. I've not seen them. Oh, this is the one of the main leaders, I think. Is that a woman there with a whip? That would be quite nice, won't it, to build? And there's the main, I'm guessing this is the war band leader. Yeah, that's him. What's his name? Heart Eater, his name is. So I'll probably use him as my, sorry, it's out of camera angle then. I'm going to use him for my barbarian in D&D. Can't wait to paint that. In fact, I'm going to put that to one side to remember. Here's another Chaos Beast. I think I like the Untamed Beasts more so than the actual golems. Oh yeah, you know the size of this box, literally, guys. It's over 4.5 kilograms for the box. That's heavy. That is bloody heavy. So look at the wood there for the ladders. I just can't believe the sheer detail. And also, not only that is, you can use this terrain obviously when playing Age of Sigmar. So obviously it's good for that price as well. Good for that reason as well. All the brickwork there, very, very nice. That's just pretty much the same there. Then this is a theme, a reoccurring theme by Games Workshop, putting the box art on a poster thing, and so you can either blue tack this to your wall or put it in a frame. I think I'm going to put it in a frame because honestly that looks beautiful, and it saves me buying artwork for the shop or even my bedroom or even my hobby room, but you know, essentially it's going to go in the shop. So that's that. We've got some tokens here in the board, so we'll cut this open and have a little look at this. I don't want to actually ruin the board itself. But I've not had a look at the board yet. So here's some of the tokens. I was trying to have a little look at the rules the other day to see if it makes any sense. I think it's going to take a bit of practice. And obviously there's a Games Workshop. I've done a video on how to play with the lovely red-headed lady from Geeks and Sundry, I think she's from. So that's that there, and she normally does a decent job explaining how to play. Now there's this, ooh, it's double-sided. So on one side we have this type of board, which is very nice, and the other side is that. I like that personally. So this table is, so it's 2 foot by 6 foot. So that fits long ways like that. So I'll definitely be using this. Oh, sugar, that's just torn a bit there. But that's gonna, I think this is gonna be stay, you know, assembled and erect in the shop, so people can have demonstration games. Here's some of the packs here, the card packs, the Warcry victory cards. Oh, it comes in little sleeves as well, which is handy. Warcry twist cards, Warcry battlefield card deck. We are getting a little thing here to get a sample of the book, which I'll be getting that sample myself. And there's a nice bit of artwork as well, so you could put that in an even smaller picture frame. And there's another bit of postage there. We've got the rule book in here and the assembly guide, which I'm not going to open up yet at the moment. Or shall we? No, there's no need to, is there? In fact, yeah, come on. We'll have a little look. Have a look at this. Just a little quick flip through. So obviously, how to assemble, how to paint it, and whatnot. It's different languages there, which is pretty cool. This rules summary. So a quick blip through of how to play it, which is pretty handy, especially for me. And then a little. So I did notice there's some nice artwork at the front. So look, so the Nighthaunts, the Stormcast Eternals. Is that a female? Is it? Well, yeah. That's all that there, guys. and how to play it. It's very nice. I don't think there's much left in here now. So we've got the cards for the Iron Golems. Some cards here for that. Deployment cards. And we've got some dice. They're very nice. Some baggies. And some bases. And that's it really, guys. Oh, and we got a measuring stick. Let's have a little look. That's very nice, isn't it? So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you've bought this or you're planning on buying it. Also, don't forget guys, if you do want to help me and support the channel, you know, enable me to buy baby food for the little one, you know, go to the link below. And if you want to buy some Warhammer, if you want to buy some Bolt Action, Magic the Gathering, if you want to buy some Citadel paints, come over to the website and make a purchase. Thanks guys, and I'll see you soon. Tra.